Hello everyone. My name is Major General Balraj Mehta and you are watching my channel Commanding Excellence.
Namaskar.
Hello.
So, good evening to all of you. So, today both of us are again back, and we want you to enjoy our small talk as well as take some valuable lessons also from today's talk. So, two things that we'll be discussing today is number one, on blood pressure campaign that I am running presently online on the social media, and also about career counseling.
Yeah, because career issues of the children also give blood pressure to the parents.
Yes. Yeah, I 100% agree. So, because we are also running ads on the social media, I get a lot of questions from people कि ये क्या है, क्या blood.
I also have a question.
हाँ,
Now, you see, we normally feel that blood pressure is there because of overweight or some tension in the mind, or people take medicines for that. And then there are other things like they say, okay, diet control, you don't have this, you don't have that, you do yoga, you do meditation, and all those things. So, how is your program or your method different from all those things which are already available
yeah.
in the market?
तो सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि डेफिनेटली ब्लड प्रेशर इज ड्यू टू अ लॉट ऑफ रीजंस, lot of medical reasons of overweight also, some kind of chemical imbalances also, diet, lifestyle, loss of sleep, unhealthy sleeping patterns, and a variety of medical reasons are definitely there. And what I am talking of is the blood pressure which is not going despite everything that you have done, despite all the holistic steps that you have taken. You have, you started yoga, you started meditation, you started acupuncture, and you are going to a nutritionist. So after taking all the measures, after meditations, beyond all this, if still the blood pressure is continuing to rise, that means there is something else to it. There is some factor that all of us are ignoring. Because a person who gets on a blood pressure medication once, rarely people get off the medication.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even doctors say that do not discontinue the medication and
Yeah.
you will have to continue.
Yeah.
And I've also seen over the period of time the dosages keep on increasing.
Yeah. It keeps on, they keep on recalibrating the medicine. Yeah. And readjusting it. So,
maybe after some time the medicine stops having an effect.
yeah. So, and plus it's a chemical in the body, and over a period of time it will have side effects as well. So, what is the reason? Even when they say that our blood cells, biologically, we have read, both of us are biology students as well. We have read that cells are regenerating every day. Then how is it that one continues to have blood pressure throughout the life?
Yeah.
And the second important thing is, generally it's not genetic. So when as a child you don't have it, in teen years you don't have it, and suddenly you start having blood pressure, say in your 20s onwards. These days very young children are having high blood pressure. Yeah. So stress is definitely one of the cause. I also agree to it, but my system is going beyond medicine and beyond the holistic methods as well. Because just you said stress is there, so it means basically the stress which you can identify, then you can do something about it. Yeah. But if the stress is because of the reasons which you don't even know, yeah, how do you deal with that? So the thing is that subconscious mind, is only subconscious mind is 90% of the mind. Conscious mind is only 10%. So subconscious mind में क्या हो रहा है, वो हमारे कॉन्शियस माइंड को पता नहीं है. हमें अंदर हमारे क्या चल रहा है, अंदर की जो कहानी है, so those deep irritations, helplessness, feelings of frustration, anger, and any other negative feelings. Even a very important thing I've seen, that people who are being unethical somewhere in life, they are doing something wrong. Even then, तो ये सब कारण है. If you continue to do the same behavior also, whatever behavior pattern you are having, you don't even realize where is the wrong, what is happening in your life, because the logical mind is justifying your actions.
Yeah.
So people do not look at the subconscious reasons. They don't even want to go there, because everybody is in a blame game, or they are feeling victimized, and they are just blaming the situation and surroundings and work and relationships for their blood pressure. So if somebody has a high blood pressure, definitely, and I'm saying of the continued one, if despite every medication the blood pressure is still not under control, or medication has not decreased, that means that you have to look at the mind.
So it means that, as they say, that blood pressure is a lifestyle disease. So possibly it is something even more than what lifestyle correction can help you to do that.
Absolutely. You see, now as a child who's less than 7 years or 8 years of age, and if the child is seeing something or facing some trauma at home, or is being invalidated, or any kind of painful situation the child is witness to, so that has a devastating effect on the child's mind. And people feel that children forget. तो ना तो बच्चा कुछ भूलता है, ना उसका माइंड कुछ भूलता है. माइंड कुछ भी भूलता नहीं है. एवरी मेमोरी इज रजिस्टर्ड, एंड मे बी इट passes on to the generations, or passes on to the next life as well. That is why we also have past life sessions, where we see the root cause to certain health problems are coming from the past life as well.
You tell me, can you tell us some interesting examples, of course without naming the people, of how you have been able to handle such things in your practice of last so many years?
Yeah. So I have seen, there was this girl who had come to me, and her blood pressure was rising, and she was a young girl in her 20s only. So when I took her deep into the subconscious mind, and we did some inner child work, we also did certain past life sessions. So we realized that pain and trauma of the past life was coming up. After dealing with all the pains of this life, it was now the past life coming up. So that was one of the reasons. And secondly, most of the people are generally not aware that our bioenergetic field is polluted with energies. So sometimes the blood pressure is also because of the pollution of the bioenergetic field. So in my sessions, which I do for high blood pressure sessions, so the sessions take some time. It is not, ki number one, that it's going to come down to zero or whatever, but majorly it gets, one is able to overcome it, and then one is able to lead a normal life, after that, without being on medications, and because the root cause is dealt. हमने ना जड़ की ट्रीटमेंट कर दी, जहां से प्रॉब्लम शुरू हुई थी.
You mentioned something like inner child work. Tell us something more about it.
So we all have a part of us which is still a child, and this child is always supposed to be joyful and happy, dancing, जैसे कि बच्चे होते हैं, है ना, बिल्कुल खुश मिजाज किस्म के. But this child, suddenly there is a disconnect. हम कहते हैं ना, अपने साथ ही disconnect हो जाता है. And you are busy, grown up, you are successful, you are dealing with the world,
you are
tense, and the everyday stress is piling up upon you. In all that mayhem of life, you just forget the child aspect, the innocence, the compassion of a child. So now this is where the inner child works come, where we connect the person to the inner part, to that child.
Okay.
It is like reparenting yourself. You become your own parent.
Yeah.
There is a saying that child is father of a man.
Yeah. Correct.
तो ब्लड प्रेशर को ठीक करने का ये एक बहुत डीप तरीका है, एंड मोस्टली इसकी तरफ लोगों का भी ध्यान नहीं है. और पर इसके लिए लोगों को तैयार होना पड़ेगा अपने अंदर झांकने के लिए, है ना। अभी तो हम सिचुएशन को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं कि हमारे साथ में इसने ये कर दिया, हमारे साथ उसने कर दिया। ये सेशन में अपने अंदर झांकिए और अपनी लाइफ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अपने ऊपर लीजिए। अगर मेरे साथ कुछ भी हुआ है, अगर मेरा बीपी भी हाई है, तो उसकी जिम्मेवारी मेरी है। उसकी जिम्मेवारी मेरे बॉस की, मेरी फैमिली की, मेरे फ्रेंड्स की, मेरे नेबर्स की, राह पे चलते लोगों की, किसी और की बिल्कुल नहीं है। तो वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज कि आप जिम्मेवारी लें कि ये मेरी जिम्मेवारी है। अगर मुझे कोई सिचुएशन टेम्परेरीली अराइज हुई है तो उसको ठीक भी मैंने ही करना है। डोंट वेट कि बाहर की मेरी वर्क सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाएगी तो मेरा शायद बीपी ठीक हो जाएगा, शायद मेरे बच्चों का 12th का एडमिशन ठीक जगह हो गया तो ठीक हो जाएगा। ऐसा नहीं होने वाला। तो आपको अपने ऊपर काम करने की जरूरत है। और ये मैंने देखा है कि ये लोगों को समझने में बहुत मुश्किल लगती है कि अपने ऊपर हमें काम करने की जरूरत है। हम ये समझते हैं हम तो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, वी फील दैट वी आर एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट। तो अगर आप परफेक्ट हैं तो जैसा भगवान ने आपको बना के भेजा था, स्वच्छ, सुंदर, स्वस्थ, और आप वैसे क्यों नहीं है? आप निश्चल अब वैसे क्यों नहीं है?
प्रॉब्लम सारी मेरा ख्याल वहीं से आती है कि जब आप निश्चल नहीं रहते हो,
बिल्कुल,
अपने दिमाग में आपने गुंडियां बना ली हैं, तो वो जब आपकी वो चरखी घूमती है तो पॉसिबली देन यू आर नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल योर सर्कमस्टांसेस, एंड देन यू गेट टेंस एंड देन यू गेट वरीड, एंड पॉसिबली दैट इज हाउ यू गेट इनटू ऑल दिस
पैटर्न्स आर फॉर्म ना, एंड देन फिर वो एक पैटर्न बन जाता है। खैर, एनीवेज, सो आई होप you all will get a lot of clarity. You can listen to this talk, play the recording again and again, and if there is any more clarity you want to you seek, you can send a question on the social media or you can message me directly also. We can deal with it, answer your questions in our next session. So now the next important thing which I have come across very commonly nowadays, May June में अभी बच्चों के कंपटीशन के एग्जाम्स हो रहे हैं, and the very sad thing is that most of the parents don't know about career counseling. Even now, India of the 21st century, we are waiting, or the parents are guiding their children कि बच्चे ये कर लो, बच्चे वो कर लो, ना कि वो बच्चे का टैलेंट देख के बोले। तो आप एज अ कैरियर काउंसलर ऑल्सो, एज अ यू हैव बीन अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, पब्लिक स्पीकर, and lot of schools were under you. So you have a lot of experience, about children and all that. So I want you to make people aware about this aspect. There is something called career counseling.
Yeah, of course. You see, the children, first of all, you must understand that every child is different. Even the twins which are born, those two people coming out of possibly one cell, they are also different. And then, there are differences of the impression that they take from their families, from the initial stages, from the friends, from the school, from the environment, and all those things which they happen to a child over a course of his first 14 to 15 years. They permanently change his capability, though they cannot finish or shut off the capability that he was born with. So the capability he was born with is also very important to know. There are 8 different type of intelligences. There are 4 different types of personalities. There are 3 different types of learning styles. So your child, suppose there is a child, now learning styles are audio, visual, and kinesthetic. So now if your child is audio and visual, and you want him to, he will not be very good in writing. So if you have to force him to write and write and practice like that, he will be uncomfortable. But if you show him an audio visual program, and or maybe you read out the chapter to him, he will be able to understand properly. So therefore, it is very important to understand your child's capability potential. And the second thing is the parents, first of all, they don't know, like in my earlier times, it was only medical, engineering, commerce, CA, B.Ed, and, one or more career law and journalism. So now there are more than 300 different careers.
Yeah, that's surprising
Yeah.
We might not be even aware.
Yes, we are
How-
not aware, and then we don't know how our child is going to fare in the normal 5, 6 main routines. And the last thing is there are new age careers wherein you can make a lot of money and be independent with things which we had never thought of.
Yeah.
You know, like video editing and such like careers which have come up now. Ethical hacking. You never heard of these things 10 years back.
Exactly.
So the parents need to know a lot of things about the available career streams. They need to know firstly, basically about their own child, and then take a decision. One should not get carried away by the glamour
Yeah.
or the trends, or that this gives us more money, so let's put the child here. Child may not be interested
Exactly.
to earn money. He may be interested in doing painting and music.
तो उसकी इंटेलिजेंस कोई और है या उसका टैलेंट कोई और है.
Yes.
है ना.
Potential कोई और है.
तो instead of this, it is so funny कि parents are deciding.
Yeah.
Parents who have no idea sometimes about of their children's latent talents.
Yeah.
जो उनको टैलेंट दिखता है उसका तो माँ बाप है, उन्हें पता होगा. बट जो कुछ टैलेंट ऐसे हैं जो वो बच्चों में नर्चर ही नहीं करते.
बिल्कुल.
है ना. तो उनको पता ही नहीं है उसके बारे में. एंड देन द पेरेंट्स जो है वो ऐसे डिसाइड करते हैं कि मैथ ले ले, बायोलॉजी ले ले. अभी भी you'll be surprised, अभी भी this is the way the parents are deciding children's careers. So
Yes.
it is better that career counseling one should seek, and then they decide according to the child's talents. तो
Yeah.
बच्चा भी सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा.
Absolutely.
है ना?
अभी आप देखो सचिन तेंदुलकर is I think just 10th pass.
हाँ.
And if he's done only metric, and he is a billionaire in his own right, and he has only enjoyed all his life. He has enjoyed his cricket. He has made money. He's got name, fame, family, everything he has got by doing something which he loved.
Exactly.
So why not that?
बिल्कुल.
You don't want an engineer who commits suicide after 10 years in the job. Or you don't want to create a doctor who becomes a businessman and then he starts doing sales.
Yeah.
Don't waste the time and money on something which your child doesn't like. I think this is enough for today.
नहीं. If there is anything more that you want to enlighten
No,
people about.
No, it is absolutely fine. And don't get blood pressure on your children's career. It can be taken care of.
And also, there is something called dermatoglyphics.
See, if you get blood pressure because of your career, you will go to her. And if you do not get a blood pressure because of career, it will be because of me. Remember.
Because the children's career is taken care of.
Yes.
And this is a very big challenge in front of today's parents.
So we are competitors.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I
take
hope
care.
all of you
Thank
enjoyed today's talk and it has added some value to your life.
Okay. Take care.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.